information in the annual report provided by Cita Holdings Berhad, and it contains 90 pages. Internal users are employees, managers, and owners, while for external users consists of suppliers, shareholders, customers, lenders, and government. Employees use annual report to gain a better understanding of the company's many focus area. This is because they are also a shareholders in the company. Managers use annual report to plan, monitor, and make company decisions. Accounting data is used by managers to make business choices such as investing, financing, and pricing. Owners use annual report to assist them in determining the level of stability in their business over time and the amount to which economic conditions have impacted their bottom line. This information enables owners to determine whether to continue investing in the business or divert their financial resources to more viable initiatives. Suppliers utilize financial statements in annual report to determine the risk associated with creditworthiness. Before extending a line of credit, suppliers want to confirm that the business has a healthy financial position and a track record of timely debt payments. Shareholders. Annual reports enable shareholders to gain a better grasp of the company's present state in order to make investment decisions. The annual report assists investors in determining whether to purchase stock, and it provides insight into the company's future strategies as well as its aims and objectives. Customers. Annual report provides customers with an overview of a company's competitors and assists them in deciding which one to create a partnership with. Customers want to deal with providers of high-quality products or services, and an annual report enables business to stress their basic beliefs and objectives. Lenders utilize borrowers' accounting information to determine their creditworthiness or their capacity to repay any debt. A borrower's financial health is determined by its capacity to meet its obligations on time, profitability, size of securable assets, and liquidity. Lenders will only offer money to borrowers who can demonstrate that they do not need the money. Government entities that collect and administer taxes are interested in the business financial health in their annual report. They want to know if the business is complying with current tax legislation. The IRC, or Internal Revenue Code, is the acronym for the language used to prepare tax-related financial statements.
Information in the annual report which would interest employees and customers. Employees focus on job security, remuneration and benefits, career training and development, life-work balance, non-discrimination and equal opportunities, as well as staff retention. Cita Group is committed to acting professionally, fairly, and with integrity in all of its relationships. Employees are not permitted to propose or accept bribes in order to gain personal advantage for themselves or others. Employees are discouraged from accepting gifts, entertainment, or other incentive from business partners as a general rule. As a result, the conditions under which gifts and other advantages are received or delivered should not be linked to contractual negotiations, tender tours, or other comparable events. Cheetah also must take steps to ensure employment security, such as addressing sexual harassment. The group's policy is to offer all employees with a work environment that is free of sexual harassment in any form. Customers. They focus on the quality of a products and goods delivery. Quality control, which ensures that the proper production process is followed and assure that the product meets the required specifications. As a marketers, we need to talk about timing. Customers nowadays want businesses to send them personalized messages suited to their specific taste and goods delivery. Therefore, this is the best way for customers to continue their relationship with this brand.
Information in the annual report which will be of interest to the supplier. For the first one is supplier want to know that you can add bills, so include required cash flow forecast and other financial report. The second one is supplier who naturally want to their customer to order more and more are likely to be very faced by your growth prospect. The third one is supplier want to know about the quality of the product and they produce to, for the example, Cheetah product take from the supplier the fabric material and they want to know if customer are satisfied with it. So the last one is company send an implicit message to the supplier about the company's expectation of outside vendor by emphasize internal measure of quality, innovation and commitment. Intended readership of the annual report. For the first point is annual reports typically devote by a highlight a variety of the company's skills and accomplishment like special innovative, goldsmith or awards received by the corporation or its employees. So the second point is information about the highest executive like the president, CEO, vice president and CFO is offered in the annual report. So the third point in the annual report is contain financial performance data for the corporation, and the most important thing is profit and loss statement in the annual report, and the people will know about this company, what the activity in the company do.
What is public company? Public company is the company that can sell its own registered shares to the general public, while the private company also can sell its own or privately held shares, but to only a few willing investors. As you can see, here are the differences between public company and private companies in terms of stock exchange, Bursa Malaysia report and stockholders. For the public company, shares are required, while shares are not required for a private company. And also, public company listed under Bursa Malaysia, but private company is not listed under Bursa Malaysia. In terms of report, both of the company have to submit their report, but they have a different period of time. For public company, they have to submit their report 3 times a year and only once a year for the private company. And the last one is stockholders are more interested to the public company compared with private company. Now, let's move to the company law, accounting standards, and also the stock exchange. What is company law? Okay, company law is the body of laws in order governing the rights in relation, formation and termination of companies, and also characteristic of companies. Next is accounting standards. Accounting standards is the set of principles, standards, and also procedures that define the basis of the financial accounting practice and the policies. And the last one is stock exchange, which is the securities exchange, and both that is involved in an exchange where stockbrokers and stockholders can buy and also can sell the securities.